In today's video, we shall see about our universe. Our universe is compiled of many galaxies. A galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. They are all held together by gravity. Our galaxy is Milky Way, and this is how it looks like. Milky Way possesses a spiral shape. Scientists think that there is a supermassive black hole located in the center that sucks in anything and everything that gets too close to it. Our solar system is also located on the inside edge of the spiral galaxy. Our solar system is one of the 500 solar systems in the entire galaxy. Sun. Our Sun is a star that is located in the center of our solar system. It is a burning ball of gas, mostly of hydrogen and helium. The Sun is so massive that its gravity, the force that pulls things together, keeps the planets in orbit around it. Revolving around the Sun are 8 planets. They are widely separated into 2 categories based on their composition: terrestrial planets or inner planets and Jovian planets or outer planets. Terrestrial planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The characteristics of terrestrial planets are: they are made of rocky material, their surface are solid, they don't have rings, and they have very few or no moons. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, having the shortest orbit in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system with temperature about 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to the atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide, which traps tremendous amount of heat. Earth is the only planet in our solar system which is known to have life to sustain in it. Mars is believed to have supported life 3.7 billion years ago when the conditions were favorable enough for life to exist. Jovian planets or outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jovian planets are made up of hydrogen and helium. The characteristics of Jovian planets are: they have multiple moons, they support ring system, they have no solid surfaces, and are enormous in size. The Jovian planets are divided into 2 groups: gas giants, which are Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants, which are Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, which is famous for its Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is a storm which has been raging for more than 300 years. Saturn is the second largest planet and is famous for its rings. Uranus is famous for its rotation axis, which is horizontal. The Neptune is the outermost planet of the solar system. It has electrical storms raging every corner of it. Now let's see some facts about our Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. It comes under the inner planet group. Earth is situated at a favorable distance from the Sun to sustain life. The key ingredients of life are raw materials such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon, liquid water, and energy. Life on Earth began more than 3.5 billion years ago. Life on Earth would not be possible without a constant source of energy such as the Sun. Now let's see Earth's natural satellite. Yes, it's Moon. The Moon is our closest neighbor to the Earth, but still it is more than 384,000 kilometers away from the Earth. On 20th July 1969, the first astronaut landed on the Moon aboard the Apollo 11. The crew on board were Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the Moon. Other than planets and satellites, there are other smaller celestial bodies known as asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. These objects are abundant into belts. These belts are known as asteroid belt, which is located between Mars and Jupiter, and Kuiper belt, which is located beyond Neptune's orbit. Thanks for being with us on this journey. Stay connected with us for more interesting videos.